Today I want to just discuss about one of my friend was talking about one of the thing he saw in his mind. Her daughter is standing near a sea coast and surrounding with lots of clothes. Where this is coming from, where this dream is coming from. Actually, we are not using the clothes that is we should buy consciously. We are having sports wear, we have a day wear, we have a night wear, we have a celebration wear, we have so much clothes. If you see, when we are in childhood, my parents always talk about only the festival times we buy the clothes. Now, if you see throughout the year how much we are buying and how much time it is needed to get into Mother Earth, and this is the thing we are inheriting for our children. You are doing the sin of buying and buying, and who is going to suffer? Our children. This is the earth you want to give to your children. No, no, nobody don't want to give. And it is a shocking for that guy who is dreamt in this way. At least he will think about when he buy the things. He told me when he gone for a shopping, he thought about it is really needed. What is this material? He started thinking. So when we discuss about these things with the children, they will be more understanding because they also feel when they wear cotton clothes, they will be much comfortable to let them wear it. And you also adopt buying lots of cotton clothes instead of buying other things. Do consciously. If you are doing any going for a wedding, just take it from our cousins. That's the way we did it in long time back. We have to come back on that stage and give a very beautiful mother earth to our children to enjoy. That is the inheritance you have to give to your children. I hope you do that in your life. All the best. In between, I was just talking about the subject of decluttering. How much important is that in our day-to-day life? And whenever you buy or accumulate clothes, you have to think about them, if they use it or not. If they are not using it, and if you are not using, give it to somebody they really use it. Don't dump it anywhere. And I think people are more consciously doing it. Recently my sister was talking about all the silk sari they were using, that you give it to the some places, they're giving the money back. I think that is also a very beautiful idea. You don't wear it because it is because it's silk or some kind of a material, it is spoiling. Still you keep it in the house, keep it in the cupboard. At least you sell it and reuse it and make it something and finish it off. Don't accumulate. Accumulation is the I really feel accumulation is the baddest energy you are keeping into your house. And this all are observed by your children. What you are doing, they are observing it. So just be careful. Whatever you do, somebody is watching. That is your children. Just do it everything mindfully.